guys, how you doing? I had a day at the Forest of Dean yesterday, and just before I cleaned the bike, just thought I'd show you the Orbea Rallon. So there it is. It's a large. It's in the stock colours of red and black, although it's more of an orange as opposed to a red actually. So just a quick look around the bike then, starting at the front. So on the front, what we've got is the race face 780mm bars. It's got a race face dropper post and stopping power on the front. We've got the Shimano XT M8000 brakes. Shifter, it's a SRAM GX Eagle 12 speed. Just moving down the front of the bike. So on the front we've got the Fox 36 forks. That's got a 3-position dial on there. Moving down the bike from there, it's got DT Swiss E1900 rims. It's a 29er bike. Stopping power on the front there. It's got a 200mm rotor. Moving down the bike from there, so we've got the Fox DPX2 fork. That's 150mm travel on that one. Forgot to say actually on the front, 160mm travel. Moving down the bike from there, it's got a 32 tooth SRAM chain set on the front there. Going down the back, as I said before guys, this is the GX Eagle. It's a 12 speed and that's a 10 to a 50 tooth cassette on the back there. On the back we've got the Maxxis Aggressor tyre. Rolls real well actually, that one. Just moving up the bike there. Race face dropper post, that's 125mm, which is plenty for me actually. On the front, I forgot to mention, it's the, looking at it upside down there, it's the Minion DHF. So that was just a quick look at the Orbea guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like. If you haven't already done so and you've stopped by, why not subscribe? And you never know, I might bore you again at some point. Catch you later.